What's up, YouTube family? This is Gerald Myles, and I got a short and sweet video that I got to tell you, it's a surprise to me. I really didn't think I was going to be making a video like this. But here's the quick backstory. About a year ago, I made a decision to really try and grow my YouTube channel. So week after week, I was filming, editing, putting out new content, and unfortunately, I didn't really see much growth. So I just closed shop and went back to my world of playing drums and teaching private lessons and really hadn't looked back. All of a sudden, you fast forward 1 year and this happened. I have no idea how the YouTube algorithm gods work, but all of a sudden in the past couple of days, this page has exploded. I'm making this video because I am sitting right now at my first 1,000 subscribers. So first and foremost, thank you to all those people who have stumbled upon me and decided to hit that subscribe button. Secondly, you guys have all inspired me to come out of retirement. I'm officially firing the channel back up. I'm going to give the people what they want. You guys hit the subscribe button because obviously you like what you see and you want to see more. So it is official. Stay tuned. Check your inbox because there are more videos on the way. Thanks, family.